Right guys, so we're going to a Land Rover show. It's a new one, it's near Sheffield. I can't remember the exact name, but I know it's a Great British Land Rover show. It's a day show, it's not a weekend, just me and Logan. We're not in the Land Rover at the minute because the steering's still a bit dodgy and I can't really be bothered driving it, so we're in the van. But if there's loads of parts we can fill it up, so that's the way I was looking at it. But you probably don't really need much and just going to have a little look. The Land Rover is down the back there. It does work, it's just a bit tiring, especially when you're doing a 2-hour drive. And I really don't fancy a 2-hour drive with dodgy steering. So yeah, we're gonna leave now and then we're gonna head out. I'll get as much footage or as many pictures as I can, and should be a good day, and I'll update at the end of the day what it was like. So, the overview of the Land Rover show at NEWARK. Now, I did get my hopes up for this show with it being a Great British Land Rover show. I have been to one before and it was quite a biggish. It's the one that they usually do. This is another one that they've added to what they're going to do. Now, I did get my hopes up, but apparently not a lot of the trade stands turned up for the show. So, the outdoors bit wasn't as good as it was meant to be, as they expected. The actual show itself was quite a busy show, and it would have been better if the trade stands were there, the clubs were there, but not a lot of them turned up. It was still quite a good show. I got to meet some people who I haven't seen before, well, since before COVID, so I got to meet them. I did pick up a couple, well, I only picked up one thing while I was there. I got a front runner kitchen set. Now I got this off Andrew at Maverick 4x4 or Overland gear. I'll show you his card in a minute. So that's the kitchen set, really good for the price. I think they're brilliant for the amount of stuff that you're going to get and how it packs up. Like you've just seen, it packs up to nothing. I have put my own scissors in there because I do need scissors and I wanted to keep them quite compact. So I'll wrap it up so you can have a little look at how big it packs up. So as you can see, packs up fairly small, and I can stick that in that box. Literally, the wolf boxes, can fit that down the edge of one of them. It's out the way. It's also got some hooks, carabiner hooks on the end, So when you've got it all open up, you can literally hang it up on the roof rack or on your dog guard or anywhere you want to hang it up. So you've got all your kitchen set handy stuff. So that's Andrew, Maverick overland gear. Well, Maverick 4x4 or overland gear. Yeah, so I got that off him. That's who got all the tent off and stuff like that. If you drop him a little message, if you need anything, he'll sort you some prices out for anything that you need. Just say you know Northwest 4x4 and he'll sort you some discount out. He hasn't given me any discount codes or anything like that, but if you just say you know us, he'll sort you out. The other thing I was after an Oz tent chair, and I've been looking for these for a while. I was hoping they were at the 4x4 Expo, but they weren't there. Just 4x4overlander.com. As you can see there, I was trying to get hold of them, to be honest. I've been waiting through COVID to get another Oz chair because obviously there's me and my missus go out now and her chair broke, so I was going to get a proper chair that can take up a good stand with the amount of use that we use it for. But unfortunately they didn't have any. They're waiting for a delivery, and there's only 2 companies that I know of and they both don't have stock. So hopefully I can figure out a way of getting one of them at some point. Terra Firma were there and their stand was really big. I did get one of their magazines. They were at the 4x4 Expo as well, called the same magazine. But they were there, they were really busy. I think they were probably one of the busiest out of most of the stands that were there. Land Rover were there, as you've just probably seen the videos of the Land Rover, the new Land Rover Defender doing its thing through the metal obstacles. Now, we all know Land Rover have obviously designed them for their vehicles to do that stuff, but it is cool to watch them do that. I'd love to see one actually out with us, like I was saying before, Andrew from Frontrunner, the Maverick Overland. He has got a new Defender now, which I was trying to say to him, come out with us and we'll have a little look, see what it's like. It could be a potential thing in the future that he might come with us, but for now it's a wait and see if he comes. Now, if you've liked the following video, make sure to like it or dislike it if you haven't, so we know whether to carry on doing the shows or not go to the shows. So hopefully next year a lot of the lads want to go to the shows and we'll actually be there at the show. At the minute it was just me going and just seeing what they're about, especially the 4x4 show. I've never been to that. This one's a new one. I like to go to the new shows just to basically just go and have a little look, get a feel for them if they're any good. There is some shows that I'd have liked to have gone to this year, but unfortunately I just haven't got the time with us going to Portugal and stuff, with it being right at the end of the summer period. It's bad time, but hopefully when we go to Portugal we'll have a better time, so it'll be worth going on that. And then next year hopefully we'll be at the shows more and we'll be there in our group. We were meant to be going to the Billing off-road show, but I think again we'll just go down for the day, and hopefully we'll see some of you guys there. We are going to do the off-road course as well, so stay tuned for that. And again, comment down below if you're going, and then we'll be there, and let us know what day you'll be there, and we'll let you know what day we're going to be there. At the minute I don't know what day. It's probably going to be a Sunday, but I'm not 100% sure. So just stay tuned, keep a lookout on the Instagram, the Facebook, and you'll see where we're up to with it, what day we're going, stuff like that. Yeah, so thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe button if you've liked this one. More adventure videos to come soon.